huge fan of costumes and Halloween. So naturally I ordered my almost 2-year-old daughter's Alice in Wonderland dress and costume 2 months ago. Came in, she refused to put it on. Every time I have tried to put it on her, she kicks and screams. So I bought her a different costume. Just a real nice, like Carter's Bumblebee costume. Refuses to wear it. So she just woke up from her nap. I'm going to go get her, and we are going to try the non-costume cat costume. It's gonna be so cute, and we're gonna be twinner cats, and we're gonna go to a reptile Halloween party and feed snakes and alligators. Ew. Let's go. I bought myself at Walmart a giant leopard long sleeve shirt, and because $5.96, so hopefully it'll be nice and loose and flowy. And then for her, because we're going to be matching kitties, this was in the toddler section, so the smallest one is a 2. This is also going to be kind of big and roomy. And then if you can see, there is gold glitter, and she has gold sparkly pants that I already had. And then I bought a spool of leopard ribbon for $2 and a 6-pack of little hair clips and a $1 spool of gold ribbon for her. So I'm gonna put her little, so I just made little bows for us. Very simple. I just used the glue gun, tied a bow, tied it around. With hers I put so it looked a little bit more fur-like. Then we're gonna do a little nose and whiskers, and we're gonna be little cats, and she's not hopefully even gonna know that she's in a costume. For some reason the costumes are totally wigging her out. Let's hope that I can get her dressed.
All I did was give Cece a little sucker, and I got right to work on doing some pigtails. I put some gel in her hair, parted it down the middle, and put it up into some high ponytails that kind of look like cat ears. She would not go for any pictures or posing, but I did snap a few pictures of her in her little cat costume. I just wore black leggings and black shoes. I put her gold pants on and her little black shoes, put the bows in her hair, and I think she turned out to be a pretty dang cute cat. You can see on me, I just did some whiskers, easy cat eye makeup, and that was it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your DIY Halloween costumes.